Sweetie, you are stressed. Why don't you tell Dubot all about it? Just tell me all about it.
Well, our last mission was just really hard, and the new rebel base is so cramped and dirty.
Rebel base?
Yeah. The command center is located right under Robotnik's backyard.
Every time Robotnik says excellent, I can hardly keep from laughing. I think it's the only superlative he knows.
Well, it's a good thing I made that Dubot to keep tabs on my allies. Anyone who speaks against me will be immediately roboticized. And pick up that next tape from the Dubot.
It would be a pleasure, sir.
Excellent. Good.
Oh, it's exquisite. You're a lifesaver. A lifesaver. Strange. We've never come here before. I watched the windshield.
Cool. Told ya, always surveillance bots around here.
Are we there yet?
Excellent. Very, very good. The Dubot is with the hedgehogs. Deploy more surveillance bots. Then follow them. I want that bot.
We're here? Oh, finally! I got such a cramp in my gears.
Okay, where are they? No clue. I figure robotics guys would have jumped us way before this. Coming through. Yo! Let's juice and jam.
Now you're mine, hedgehogs.
You know, a plan would really hit the spot just now.
Just like using a blow dryer.
Hey, there it is! Let's get it aboard! We found her, sir, but they removed the tape.
You rebellious hunk of junk. What do you have to say for yourself?
You will remember nothing about the tape you heard or anything that happened today.
We will remember nothing. We will remember nothing.
Sweet.